Okay, I want to go over this mop, the pros and the cons, what I found easy to use about it, what was maybe a little bit difficult. Was very easy to put together. Everything comes nicely in a box and organized. You attach the pieces together for the handle of the mop. Then it has a charging cord. The bucket itself has a handle. There's a place for the clean water to go to, and then where the dirty water is. It squeegees the water out of the mop at the same time as rinsing clean water onto it. So you have to turn it on for this function, and it automatically will pour clean water onto the mop as it squeegees it out. So you kind of want to go up and down a few times to get that mop nice and clean before you continue using it on the floor. When you replace the pads, you just twist the little lock key and then pull it off of the hooks. I did struggle in this video because of the way that I was doing it, but once I did the other side, it was easy peasy. It comes with 3 replacement mop pads, 3 altogether. It is very small and sleek, which I liked because it got into these tiny little places like you can see here underneath my dining room table, which I have to usually move my whole table around to get underneath here. And then I used it actually on the little wood boards as well. The handle is nice and squishy and soft. It has a little hook on the top so you can hang it when you are done, which makes it nice for storage purposes. It has these 2 little plugs at the bottom. This is what's going to be used to drain your water out. You will have a little bit of extra water from the clean water side. So for that, you're going to want to go ahead and dump it out. You can see the lip here is meant to dump that clean water that you put in out. I love that this mop bucket has wheels. You can either push it around. I kind of just used the mop to kind of bring it to where I needed it to be. And then again, it has the handle, which makes it nice to pick up and maneuver if you're going to go a little bit of a longer distance with it. So if you are in the market for a mop to really clean your floor the right way, the way that it's supposed to be done, then I do recommend this product for you. It is super easy and simple to use. It's straightforward. And honestly, I don't think there's no complaints so far with this mop. It has only been super easy to use.